Welcome, I am Tamilarasan. I am going to teach about the topic duties and responsibilities of agriculture extension officers. Agriculture extension officers are to perform various roles as per their job description. They are facilitating the farmers to form group and advise them, ensuring good relationship between the research centers and the farmers. They cooperating with the non-governmental organization and involved in the crop production, processing and marketing. They will educate the farmers on good agriculture practices and they advise the farmers to use modern implements and the equipments. The agriculture extension officers have the different roles. According to the Agriculture for Impact 2015, agriculture extension officer roles are categorized as technologically transfer roles, advisory roles, facilitation roles. Swedy and Kaplodes stated that agriculture extension officers roles can be grouped into two broad categories. They are process skills and the technical skills. Mattei in 1994 grouped agriculture extension officers roles into two categories. They are educational role and advisory role. Based on the lateral reviewed and the author experience in the field of extension, they classified the role of agriculture extension officers into seven categories. They are facilitation role, organizational role, intermediation role, educational role, technical role, advisory role, and administrative role. Now we will see about the each of these seven categories in detail. Facilitation roles. The facilitation role involves in the facilitating the farmers to form group and to give access them to market and access to the input suppliers. In this, the survival data is based on the survival data. The survival data gives the information that most of the agriculture extension officers are involved in the facilitating the farmers to form group. The next role is organizational role. In this, the extension officers will planning on proper land usage, like example, land for livestock crop production, planning of extension program like developing a work plan and budget plan, participating in evaluating crop production estimation for future production plans. Based on this survey table, 96 percentage of agriculture extension officers are involved in the participating in evaluating crop production for future production. The next one is intermediation role. The intermediation means bridging. The agriculture extension officer will act as a bridge between the farmers and the research stations. In this the survival data, the 81 percentage of the AEOs are like to do cooperate with the researchers to conduct experiments. The next role is the educational role. AEOs pursued the role of educating smallholder farmers on the best agriculture practices and proper use of soil, water, and extension service delivery. In this, 97 percentage of agriculture extension officers are involved in educating the farmers on the best agriculture practices. The technical role. One of the most important role of AEOs are some of them miss technical knowledge on control of newly emerging issues. For example, pest and disease. 95 percentage of AEOs are involved in the testing of seed germination. The next role is the advisory role. The advisory role involves in advising the farmer group and making better decision to increase agriculture production and advising farmers on how to practice diversified agriculture. In this, the 98 percentage are AEOs are involved in advising farmer us on making better decision to increase agriculture production. The next one is the administrative role. The administrative role includes collection of taxes in their area, coordinating and supervision of different programs, performing leadership role, tree planting, conducting evaluations of buildings, roads and other infrastructure in that area. This role is mostly not prepared by the agriculture extension officer. Only less number of people prefer this. Thank you. I hope you have learned something from this video.